Hi, you're watching this video. So you, like many of us, have moments when communicating with people causes fear or discomfort. Maybe you're afraid to talk to strangers, worry before an important meeting, or just get lost when you need to start a conversation. Don't worry, it's okay. Today I will tell you how to overcome this fear and become more confident in just a week. The first step is to understand your fear and figure out where it comes from. Write down exactly what scares you. Are you afraid of criticism? Or are you suddenly saying the wrong thing? When you have clarity, it will be easier to understand exactly what you need to work with. Take 10 to 15 minutes to describe your feelings. It's important to start your journey. Your task is just to observe people, how they communicate with each other. Think about what exactly they do, what gestures they use, and how they keep up the conversation. This will help you understand that everyone communicates in their own way. And perhaps you will see that even others have strange moments in communication. Imagine that you enter into a conversation and it goes perfectly. Everyone looks at you with interest, you feel confident, your words easily resonate. Repeat this image several times, and this way, your brain will perceive communication as something more comfortable and familiar. Now we will start to train the ability to communicate by making compliments. This is an easy way to start a conversation and see that there is nothing terrible in communication. For example, if you see something beautiful in a person or you like the way he smiles, say so. A small compliment can do a miracle. It will give pleasant emotions to both you and the interlocutor. Our task is to start a conversation with a stranger. It may be a question about what time it is, or even just a comment about the weather. It is important to take the first step and feel that starting a conversation is not so difficult. The main thing is not to worry if the conversation ends quickly or is a little awkward. When you're in a conversation, try to focus on the other person. Listen carefully, ask clarifying questions. It's called active listening, and it helps you feel more involved. The more you focus on the other person, the less room you have for fear. Try to keep up a longer conversation by paying attention to how much progress you've made in these 7 days. Start with a simple one, with a close friend or acquaintance, or with a stranger if you feel confident. The main thing is to be natural and relaxed, because you have already come a long way, and the more often you practice, the more confident you will feel. If the video was useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next issues.